channel. My name's Adrienne Finch. Hi, how are you? In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to edit aesthetic AF videos right from your phone, so not requiring any expensive equipment or expensive editing software, just right from your freaking phone. Now, what you just watched was an example of something shot and edited completely on my phone. You can do any type of video like this though. This was just like super random. It doesn't have to be like that. So I'm gonna show you guys that right now. Did you like the video? Did you like it? Did you like it? Did you like it? Cool. So step number one is to take video clips from your phone, or you can use clips that you already have. You obviously can do this vertically, horizontally, whatever type of video you're trying to make. If you're trying to make one for Instagram stories, you're gonna want it to be vertical. I actually just finished taking an iPhone videography workshop course on Skillshare. If you guys have heard of Skillshare, I have just gotten really lazy when it comes to using my nice camera, and sometimes I wanna be able to shoot on the go using my phone, especially because I paid a lot for this phone and it has a really high quality camera. So there's no reason why I shouldn't be able to utilize it for shooting and editing videos right from my phone. So I just finished that course on Skillshare, and actually they sponsored this video today, so thank you so much Skillshare for sponsoring. Skillshare is basically an online learning community. I've actually been a fan of it for a year or so now. They offer tons of courses and workshops on like anything from creative writing to marketing to productivity, entrepreneurship, pretty much all the things that I freaking love. And it's really affordable. It's like, if you get the annual subscription, it's less than $10 a month. And I feel like courses out there and live webinars and things like that are really expensive. So it's very affordable. You can literally learn like any skill. As a digital entrepreneur myself, you guys know I have my podcast, Self-Made CEO. I'm constantly trying to learn new skills, and I've just found that Skillshare is very, very helpful in this. So I've taken many of the iPhone videography courses now. Some of them are short, some are long. That's the beauty of it. You can really pick and choose. You can search just about any topic and find something that you love and want to learn. So check out the link below if you guys want to check out Skillshare. I highly recommend.
And you get a free 2-month trial. Forgot to say that.
I personally love it. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is really learn how to like produce music on GarageBand, because I really want to make a song and do a video that's like writing a hit song in 24 hours or something crazy. So anyway, if you are using an iPhone, you always want to check the camera settings to check what frame rate it's in. All right, we're currently at 4K 24 frames per second. Works for me. If you guys want to make a slow-mo video, you're gonna want to make sure that it's in 60 frames per second. That way you can get that nice slow-mo look. So I'm just gonna make a little edit, as you saw, from right inside this room, just for demonstration purposes. So first up, let's go take some clips. Pro tip, guys, always wipe your lens. So I'm just gonna take some horizontal clips of basically anything. Obviously this wall is super aesthetically pleasing. I'm just gonna do some like pan downs. Whee! Maybe I'll like do a part where I cut from one to the other for a second, like a boom, 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 boom thing. I feel like Morgan's shirts and jeans are kind of aesthetically pleasing. Plants are obviously aesthetically pleasing. Another trick is to make sure that the subject that you're shooting is in the light rather than the opposite. So take a look at this versus this. If the light is behind me, it looks terrible and dark. So flip that. Another trick is if you want to get that bokeh effect, so like a blurred background and a sharp foreground, you can actually zoom in your camera and back up a little bit. Okay, there we have it. Now let's go edit. Now step 2 is editing the video. So I'm going to be using 2 different apps, InShot and VLLO, not sure how to pronounce that. These are the only 2 apps I'm gonna be using, but you guys know that I made a whole entire video on all the aesthetic editing apps that I have on my phone. So if you guys wanna go check that out, the link will be right down below, where you can get a lot more information on aesthetic editing apps. So let's go edit the video.
Okay, so first you're gonna open this app, VLLO, and click on the video button to obviously make a video. So next you're gonna import the clips, so you can click on all the clips that you want to drag into your video timeline, and you're gonna choose a size. It's cool that they have other templates for sizes, but obviously for this purpose I wanna do the horizontal, like normal kind of YouTube size. And I'm muting all the clips that I don't want the noise from me filming them. And then basically this is the most time-consuming part, is just rearranging the clips the way that you want them, shortening them to fit the music if you want, whatever you want. So I use the split button to cut the clips shorter, and then here's me just kind of editing them, making them kind of go with the music, and just putting them the way that I like them. And then you can also adjust the speed. So if you used 60 frames per second and you want slow-mo, you can drag that down to 50% of the speed, so a lot slower. You can also do a thing called a speed ramp that I like to do, where basically you take a clip, you find a chunk in the middle, and you speed up that middle chunk, so it's kind of like normal speed, fast, slow. I don't know how else to explain it, but that's a speed ramp. So then I just continue to kind of edit the way that I want. And if you want to add a cute little border or background, all you do is click the resize button and pinch it in. And then there's like a gear button when you go to the main home page that allows you to change that background color. So I just have a nice little orange. They also have a ton of transitions. Some of these are paid ones that you need to pay for, but a lot of them are free. So you can add stickers, which I think are so cute. They have a lot that are like related to vlogging or YouTube or just videos in general, which I think is awesome. So I was just kind of playing around with stickers and text and like animations to just add a lot more kind of like aesthetic things to it. And so I really liked this title, and I just was kind of playing around with, what do I want to say? Again, like this random video is just for the purpose of this video. I didn't really have a specific goal with it. It was just cute stuff in my office. So I'm just kind of rearranging everything to be the way that I like it. I added a sticker at the front, and then this little yellow thing, if you drag this is how you resize it. They also have these weird like filter things, but I didn't want to use any of them. So I just added a little subscribe iPhone at the end, which I thought was kind of cute. And then they do have filters here, but I wanted to use VSCO because I just liked them better. So I purchased this one-time $7.99 thing. You don't have to. They have plenty of options for features without paying. I just wanted to because I really liked some of the stuff I used, some of the stickers that were paid ones. So then I just export the video in 24 frames or 30 and import it into VSCO. And then I just pick my favorite filter. You can do other edits too, which is awesome. The only thing you can't add is grain, which I wish you could, but there you have it.
That is how to edit a video on your iPhone, a super aesthetic video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you end up trying it out yourself. If you have any more suggestions for videos like this, let me know in the comments down below, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, or if you want to, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!